Hello everyone, this is Anna. In this video, we will learn how to upload CAD floor plan. There are some requirements of your CAD floor plan. First, the format of CAD floor plan can be DXF or DWG. The maximum size for each floor plan is 10 MB. Second, AiHouse cannot recognize arc walls currently. Third, AiHouse can recognize single doors, sliding doors, and double doors, rectangle windows, L-shaped windows, and bay windows. Fourth, AiHouse can recognize the space names on your floor plan and name each space automatically. Fifth, AiHouse cannot recognize furniture or decorations. Sixth, dimensions on your floor plans shall be in millimeter. And here is my CAD floor plan. So let's go to AiHouse design interface to upload it. Here is AiHouse basic design interface. We can go to floor plan, import floor plan, and also we can go to file to import our CAD floor plan. Choose import floor plan. Choose our CAD floor plan to open it. Here is our CAD floor plan. We can go to 3D mode to check it. And here you can see, here is the original CAD floor plan. We can go to display, floor plan, uncheck show floor plan to hide the CAD floor plan. Here is it to better check our floor plan. And you can see it naming your room name automatically. And also we can recognize those windows and doors. Choose the window. Click here. We can switch those window models as we want. Like this one, double click. We can choose to match the original window size or match the new window size. Here I choose original. Here is the window. And as for the door, also click here. We can change the door model. Like this one, choose match the original door size. Here is the new door model. Okay, that's all about how to upload the CAD floor plan. Thanks for watching. See you.